Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find some useful tips to the MindNode application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the show MindNode tips button. And as you can see, there are 3 pages filled with useful tips that you can use when trying out this application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.